Today I am answering the question, how do I get started in digital marketing? And the quick answer for that is look into Legacy Builder program. It is a high in demand, done for you product, meaning you don't have to create anything. It's already created product. It teaches you, a beginner, how to learn digital marketing skills. And it gives you master resale rights. So you get to turn around and sell it. It's a one-time investment, 0 monthly fees. And when you sell the product, you get 100% profit. There's no middleman. There's no upline, downline, no recruiting, no cold messaging. It's a fully automated system. You don't have to have any tech skills. You simply plug in, connect, and promote. And within this program, it's a community, very thriving, active, collaborative community. Almost 39,000 people now. It's growing so quickly. And every day you get new videos on giving you things to work on. So you're constantly growing and building your following organically. You don't need a social media following, which is a great thing. A lot of people, I think that's what holds them back. Like, I don't have a product to sell. I don't have a following to sell to. Those are the two big ones. Here, you're going to learn everything you need to make $900 daily pay. And you master a 2-hour workday. So it fits in the pockets of your day, and you're learning highly in-demand skills. The e-learning industry is $1 billion a day industry, a day. So if this sounds like something you'd be interested, put me in the comments, and I would absolutely love to get you the information.